Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. Today is our 7th question of our series Electrical Interview Questions and Answers. These questions are helpful in cracking the interviews for operation and maintenance of transmission lines and distribution lines up to 800 kV, rural electrification, revamped distribution sector scheme RDSS, electric substation design and operation. All the questions are explained fully, and we will see the today's question. What is the today's question? Today's question is how to calculate number of disc insulators in a suspension string of a power line. You are given some power line and you have to calculate the number of disc insulators needed in the suspension string of a power line. Suppose we have a 400 kV power line. We have to calculate the number of disc insulators needed in the suspension string. This is the suspension string, and we have to calculate the how many number of disc insulators are used for suppose a 400 kV line. Let VL is the line to line voltage, that is 400 kilovolt. VG is the line to ground voltage. The VG, that is equal to VL divided by root 3 equals the line to line voltage is 400 divided by root 3. It becomes 231 kilovolt. One disc insulator has a voltage rating of 11 kV. See in the picture there are a number of disc insulators, and one disc insulator can withstand has a voltage rating of 11 kV. Number of disc insulators used in the suspension string for 400 kV is can be calculated by using this formula. N is equal to Vg divided by disc voltage plus safety factor. SF is the safety factor. Where N is equal to 231, that we have Vg also already calculated 31, and disc voltage is 11 kV, that is one disc voltage is 11 kV plus safety factor is 1.5, and it becomes 22.5. The approximately 22 to 23 disc insulators are used for a 400 kV transmission line. 22 disc insulators are used when line is going straight, and 23 at tension points.